In this video, we're going to look at how to format your Word document so that Akindi can properly process the questions upon upload. For multiple choice questions, you want to make sure that your questions are numbered and your answers are lettered. You also want to bold or highlight or add in asterisks next to your correct answers so that Akindi can create your answer key for you upon upload. Akindi is also able to support tables, formulas, and images. Akindi is also able to smart detect matching questions. So what it's looking for here is a numbered left column and a lettered right column. You can either create a table within Word to create your two columns, or you can actually just tab your way over to create the illusion of two columns. Upon import, Akindi will automatically recognize this as a matching question. By looking at your instructions, it'll look for the word match the following to create a matching question for you. Akindi is also able to support fill-in-the-blank questions, and fill-in-the-blank questions categorizes as a written answer question, so this needs to be at the end of your multiple choice portion. And written answer questions are recognized by not having any answer options, so it's just the question portion that is filled in. You can also, in parentheses, add in how many points each written answer question is, and Akindi will automatically assign that number of points to that question upon upload. So now let's take a look at what the document looks like after it has been imported. You'll notice that your answer key has already been created for you based off how you formatted the answers in the Word document. So you either bolded it, added an asterisk, or highlighted the answers. The table has been imported, as well as the formula and the images. You'll notice that these questions here have a gray line that goes around that boxes these questions in, and this indicates that these questions are a question group. And question groups are multiple questions that relate to the same information, whether that's a table, an image, or a graphic, and questions within a question group do not separate when the questions are scrambled. Akindi is able to smart detect question groups based off of the wording you use here, which is use the data or table or whatever below to answer the following X amount of questions. So it is important that you do number how many questions are in this question group so that Akindi can properly create that question group for you. For matching questions, you are unable to predetermine that answer key beforehand, but you are able to set that answer key once it has been imported. So how you set this answer key is just clicking on the Set Answer button here and selecting the correct answer for your matching question. Akindi is able to smart detect fill-in-the-blank questions, and it will box it in here so that it knows that there doesn't need to provide a space below for students to fill in this question. And written answer questions are shown here. You can adjust the size of the scannable area by clicking on the Change Marking button here, and then adjusting on the slider however much space you require for this written answer question.